How to create a TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create a TikTok account, first of all launch the TikTok application on a device, and before that, make sure you install the TikTok application. So launch to Google Play Store and search for TikTok. As you can see, I've already installed the application, so I'm going to tap on open. Now the page will look something like this, where you have to tap on login option. So just tap on login, and as a tap on login you'll have three options. So you can either use your phone, email, or username. You can continue with Facebook or you can continue with Google. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google over here, and as you do that you'll be able to see different email accounts that you can associate with this TikTok account. So I'm going to select on one of these, and as you do that, it will start the process of making or create an account on TikTok associating with particular Gmail account over here. And there you go. You have created your TikTok account over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.